Oh, she's holding the phone too. She's talking. You can see her having a huge conversation there. Her lips are moving. Still holding the phone. Tango 22 Foxtrot Alpha Sierra. So we're nicely away from him, which is encouraging. What's going on your phone? That's unfortunate. Yeah, carry on. I saw you back there, so you're out of luck. I was putting it on charge. It's my backside. I was putting it on charge. I'm not following her now. I'm just going on my route. Hopefully we won't interact with her again.